Hi, today I want to share with you SQL basic tutorial for beginners. This is part 2. And first command, select. Select is the course we use every time we want to query information from a database. So I use select to select first underscore name and then last underscore name or first name last names from employee table. After I execute it, I will show two columns from employee table, so first name and last names. Next, I will use as used for renames a column or table. So I want to change first underscore name to first, and then space, and then names. And the word first, capital F, it look more official. And also the same, I will change the last name. After I execute it, you can see the two column names change. Next, distinct. Distinct return unique values. Okay, there are repeated values in the department ID column. I want to use this distinct keyword to show only the unique values in this column. After executed, it should just file department ID because we have just 5 departments. Next, I will use salary table. First, I will show you what is in salary columns. And then I will use where. Where is a popular command that lets you filter the results of the query based on conditions that you specify. So I am using where salary more than 90,000. After executed, the result will show only the values that has salary more than 90,000. And then next I play with a new operator which is equal. I use where salary equal 90,000. And I add select employee ID, comma salary. So the result will show employee ID and salary that is equal 90,000. I use operator not equal 90,000. And then the next one, I use less than or equal 90,000. Okay, the next keyword is like. We will use after where. So like is a special operator. I will show you the meaning. Like %A%, the employees whose first name contains the string A. And then for the next example, like %K, the employees whose first name end with the string k. And the result shows first name Mark. His first name ends with k. Next, I try first name that ends with M or like %Ms. The result shows first name William. Next, I try first name like J%, the employee whose first name starts with the string J. And the result shows for first name. For example, John. Next, I try with like JA%, or the first name that starts with string JA. Next, I will try using underscore. So like underscore ER%, what it means? The first character can be anything. The following character must be ER. There can be any number of character after ER. So the result shows the employee with the last name Hernandez. Next, I will try %_ER. The first character can be anything. The following character must be ER. So the result shows two last names. Next, I will change from like to not like. Not like %_S. It means that the first character can be anything. The following character must not be S. So the result shows 12 last names. Next, I will use is noun and is not nouns. So first, I use where slightly is not noun, and the result shows everything. When I change where slightly is noun, then it shows nothing because there is no noun values in slightly table. Next, between. The between operator allows you to check if a value falls within a range of values. And then I try not between. For example, where slightly not between 90,000 and 17,000, or you can use where slightly between 10,000 and 19,000. Next, and. The AND operator is a logical operator that combines two Boolean expressions. It returns true only if both expressions are true. It returns false if one of the expressions is false, otherwise it returns null. Next, OR. The operation returns true only if any of the expressions is true. It returns false if both expressions are false, otherwise it returns null. You can pause video and take a look at my SQL command again. Next, order by. I will use slightly table. The order by clause allows you to sort rows returned by a select clause in ascending or descending order based on a sort expression. So I use select slightly from slightly's table, order by slightly's descending, and the result shows slightly that's sort by high slightly to low slightly. After that, you can change from descending to ascending. The result shows slightly sorts from low slightly to high slightly. And then you can try change to alphabet by select first name from employee table, order by first names, and ascending. So the result show first name that sorts by ABCD. And then again, you can change from ascending to descending and compare the result. Next, limit. Limit, it specifies the maximum number of rows that the query will return. For example, I use select first name from employees table, order by first name descending, and limit just 4 rows. So the result shows first name just 4 names. Next, group by. Group by clause divides the rows returned from the select statement into groups. So select employee ID sum slightly from slightly and group by employee ID, order by employee ID. Next, havings. The having clause specifies a search conditions for a group. The having clause is often used with the group by clause to filter groups based on a specific conditions. Remember that PostgreSQL evaluates the group by clause after the from and the where clauses and before the havings selects distinct, order by, and limit clauses. You will see more examples for using group by and havings in the next tutorials.